guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing silly putty. We got 3 kinds. We got heat sensitive, magnetic, and chameleon. So let's take a look at them one by one. So let's start off with heat sensitive. So let's open it up. It's like this purple color. So the heat sensitive turns color when it's exposed to light. So let's see it. See, when it's exposed to light, it changes color. And it's very soft and fun to play with. So let's put it back in the container and go to the... Now let's review the next one. The next one we got chameleon. So let's open it up. It's like this green color. It's like a sparkly kind of green. Look. So this one changes color at the point of an angle. If you take it above a bit, it turns the color blue. And if you stretch it, see, it turns the color blue. And if you stretch it, it turns transparent, like silver color. So it's also very sticky and fun to play with. So let's put it back. And let's review the last one. The last one we got the magnetic one. So let's open it up. It's like the black color. Let's take it off. Let's stretch it a bit. So let's see if it's really magnetic. So I got this little magnet. So let's see if it can pull the slime. So let's pull it a bit. So let's see if it sticks. Wow, it actually sticks. It's very cool, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.